blowing in so gray and cold, and the stitches of this forest my heart mend. For the moonlit brambles glow, all cathedrals in the snow. Give my blessing to the wild winter wind. Shall I sleep through every dreary February rain? Will the snowbirds cast in gray sing to me then? Shall it rain for 7 years, oh, to melt these frozen tears? Will they whisper to the wild winter wind? And when she is beside me, oh my soul, what's there to do but to dance before the winter's bitter end? The goddess of the dawn, does she sleep or is she gone? Was she swept along the wild winter wind? And her hair, it shimmers in the ancient breeze, and the wind upon the meadow and the trees, as we stand upon the mountain by the frozen crystal fountain, hearts at ease. I have not known the weather nor had any lucky day since the whippoorwills all left the forest glen. When at last my hair turns gray, will I know each summer day? Or will I become the wild winter wind? To be forever free when we meet across the sea, I'll meet you in the wild winter wind.